I still have my call options for this SMLR. I think it's going to go to at least 50, bro, but I don't know how long it's going to take, honestly.
It might overshoot. Yeah, it doesn't expire until what?
September.
September. Yeah, dude,
Yeah,
hold on. You got 2 months, bro. I hold that. I'd chill on that.
yeah.
So, um, that's something. Good morning. While we're live.
Top,
Okay. Good
top,
morning.
top.
Good morning. Good morning. Good morning. Good morning.
Morning, Rusty. I had a conversation. That's
Mhm.
who I was talking to yesterday. I was talking to Rusty.
Nice.
Yeah, yeah. Hopefully he lets me know you have exactly 2.5 hours, Rusty. I'm on your ass.
You got exactly 2.5 hours.
Yeah.
All right. Good morning, guys. So let's kick it off. Let's go into some technical analysis right off the bat. Right off the bat. 25 people in here. You're getting in early. I'll let you guys trickle in. But basically, what we got. So Lawrence and I were talking about this yesterday. When you have two wicks like this, what does that mean? What does that mean? That means
Nobody knows nothing.
indecision. Exactly. The Bears are trying, the Bulls are trying. So we're definitely in a tricky spot here. I am interested in the fact that we're opening literally right at 23,100. This is the key level. This is the level I'm watching, like location wise. This is literally exactly what I want to see potentially hold. So you got to just think from perspective, right? We have this range, and you can kind of see it cool when you draw the lines, right? Lows, highs, lows, highs, lows, highs. We overshoot it, we fail it, we come back into the range, but the Bulls has defended the bottom of it pretty aggressively yesterday. Now they're trying to get back above the 100. So this area needs to have like some sort of closure and stay above. Like ideally, like that's what we need to see. So if we see something like that, that's ideally what needs to happen. So if we see that and we can continue higher, that gives confirmation that this daily bar will be negated and this will probably get taken over and we'll keep going. So this definitely is a symbol of strength from the defense of the Bulls. Definitely noted. But that's what I'm watching. Really simple. I want to see how this 23,100 digests. It is really the location I want to attempt it at right now. But after all the fuckery the past 2 days, I'm just going to be patient. I just don't want to deal with any BS, to be honest. You guys would watch me just kind of go too ham and just like try stuff too close to the open. But this is my problem too. It's like I'm all about location. You guys know me. I'm a big location guy. So location wise, look, this is VWAP and the level. Like, oh, this is screaming at me to attempt it around here. But I'm not going to. I'm just going to let it digest. I just don't want to be a part of this today. Any of this mess right here. But I love how, see, it's trying to digest. Now it's starting to fail. Is it going to fail though? Are we going to sweep this? I don't know. I don't know what's going to happen. Dude got some earnings and stuff coming out this week, so it should kind of give us some decent movement. Wow, this YM trade is going. I like this a lot. I want to buy some calls on this for next week. I do. I really, really do. I really do. Look at us dump here.
Yeah, it's nasty.
Pretty nasty work. I wonder if this sweeps here and then holds and then reclaims. If we end up getting back above 100 and reclaiming, then I want to go long. That's what I'm telling you guys right now. That's what I'm telling you guys.
Oh, Netflix earning after close today?
Yeah.
Man, I'm going to gamble. I'm going to go long. I'm going long. Should I go long or short? I'm gonna just have to go long. Chat, what y'all think? Should I go long or short on Netflix earnings? Let me see if I have enough money.
What should he do?
Do I even have enough money in my small account? I'm gonna gamble this, bro.
Oops.
Because Netflix earnings, bro, them shits are ridiculous, bro.
Yeah, it can, but I'm not a fan of fucking. I'm not a fan of the gambling. I mean, I am a fan of it. Don't get me wrong. Actually, I am a fan.
Don't lie to me.
I totally am a fan. Damn,
you can lie to everybody but me,
bro. Okay, if we get this sweep here, dude, and this holds, I want to try this kind of. I'm not gonna lie. Let's see if it actually can hold though. Right now, it's real aggressive. And we did just fail 100. I don't like that. I will say that much. I don't like that.
Okay, we just got rid of London
You just got the
lows.
sweep. Okay. Should I try this here?
Missing.
I'll try one attempt here.
Order
I'm
filled.
trying one fucking
Damn,
attempt.
I didn't even get a chance to say
You didn't get a
yes or
chance to say
no,
nothing, dude.
Tam.
I'm trying
Order
one.
filled.
Trying one attempt
Jesus.
right here. If this fails, I promise you I will sit till 7 a.m. I promise you I will sit till 7 a.m. if this fails. But I like this sweep here. I like this sweep for a push back up towards 100s, at least.
And the idea is not, it's not a bad idea.
Motherfucker, I'm not copying my accounts.
Yeah, we gotta add that. I used to do that a lot. We gotta add that to your pre-market plan.
I know. Shit,
You
man.
need to add that to your pre-market plan. And this might actually go, to be honest with you.
I know. This kind of looks
Whenever
decent.
we make that inverse V-shaped looking thing on the
I
5
like
minute.
it. I really like this. I really, really
Yeah.
like this.
Go one at a time. Go one at a time.
I like this.
One,
I know.
one
I'm
account at
I'm
one
not
account
doing
at a
that.
time.
I'm not doing that. I'm not doing that, bro. I'm not doing that. Morning Kings. Morning Steve. Sanjeev, Drew, Charles, Ray, Tanner, subscribe to your OnlyFans. How good was that marketing, bro? Did you see that? That I
Oh,
posted
yeah,
yesterday?
yeah. I saw that.
Yeah.
I did see it.
Yeah, that was a real good one.
That was good.
This don't fail on me. Come on. I promise you I'll sit till 7 if it fails. I promise you. I promise you. I promise you. I promise you. Or at least really close to that time frame.
Oh, really close to that. Okay.
Yeah, really close to it, at least. Let's see. Are they going to defend it? For me, dude, it's just location. I'm like, fuck, dude, I love these locations. I got to try the good location. If it fails, fails. It's okay. Pretty ugly so far, but maybe they hold this right here and they pop it back up. Because everything else is really strong. RTY is strong. YM is fucking rip sticking. I should have put more size on those calls. I meant to buy $2,000 worth. I only bought $1,000 worth. I like this. I want to add to it.
Drew said 30-second chart. Let me check the 30-second.
30-second looks ugly.
Don't add to it yet.
No, I'm not.
30 seconds look horrid.
I know. I'm not.
Oh, you might.
I should add.
Maybe.
Order filled.
Maybe.
Look at this. Look at this inverted hammer getting retaken on the 30-second.
Maybe.
This is it. This is it, boys.
Yeah.
Boys, ladies and gents. This is it. We're just going for it. Max win on this. Let's just do it. Give me 1,300 right now.
Yeah, I think that's gonna be. I think that's the one right there.
Right back to the top of the range, 140. I think that's it. That was it. Game over. I'm done.
I think so too. That looks good.
I win.
That looks good. I like it.
I win. I'm not even gonna think about it. I'm done. That's it. I did it.
Yeah, I think I like
Game
that.
over.
I like this.
Game over. I'm gonna go do whatever I want now.
Yeah, I like this. This is cool. I like this trade.
I like this 30-second hammer that instantly got, or inverted hammer that instantly got reclaimed. That's like the bullish of the bullish signal you can ever see. I know it's on a 30-second chart, but now it's a higher low. It'll be funny if it fails though, and I'm all confident about it. But that's trading. It totally could still fail. I'm just fucking with you guys. I still like the location. I still like the attempt. Not against it. Not against it. Let's go to the 3-minute here. Let's see. Let's get this overtaken here. Everything else real strong still. RTY, YM. These bears are just still trying to do some fuckery.
Just a little bit of damage.
Just a little bit of damage.
They're trying.
Yeah. We're trying. ES is bouncing off VWAP real nice. This looks good, dude. This should go. I don't see why this wouldn't go.
If it does, and it was worth a try, I'll tell you that much.
Yeah, for sure worth a try. I feel like it's
think
gonna.
about.
I'm worried it's gonna sweep one more time. That's what I'm worried about. Like give us some bullshit down into 60s and then go.
Mhm.
They're really fighting. They're really fighting here. That's the problem. Really fighting here.
I would think if I should gamble this Netflix earnings.
If I should gamble this Netflix earnings. That's the real question. Should you gamble the Netflix earnings?
And if I do, long or short?
I don't know, bro. I'm always wrong. So let me look at it and think what I want and then tell you and just do the opposite.
Yeah,
with gambling earnings, I'm always like that shit, dude. I'm always like literally always do that shit, bro.
I think I'm gonna do puts, bro.
I haven't even looked at it. Let me pull it up on my other chart. Not bad. This is what I want to see. Look at these 3-minute ham skis right now. ES is pushing. Everything else is pushing. This looks real decent. Real decent. QQQ holding last week's highs. Yep, that 23,100. We want to get back through 23,100. Retesting prior day high here, roughly around it. And we got VWAP on QQQ and NQ. Tough little spot. Not bad though. Netflix. Let's see.
Yeah, I'm looking at it right now.
Dude, you know? Okay, this is what I'm thinking on Netflix. It does look like it needs to pull back, but this also is the classic. It's just so strong that we could just literally gap and rip. We could just literally gap and rip, dude. I want to fucking take my other accounts. This is whack.
Netflix longs or shorts, man.
Take the long, bro.
Take the long?
Take the long. Take the long. Take the fucking long.
Nice ChatGPT.
I'm up 20% on these DIA calls right now.
Okay, so
can we talk about how I just caught the bottom, please?
You know, it was beautiful. It looked good too. Daily max win.
Let's see it.
Where's your daily max win at? I'm over here talking to ChatGPT about this. Oh, okay. Yeah. You're going to definitely hit that. Oh, yeah, for sure.
I think I should totally hit it. Yeah, I think
no, you are. No, you are. You are. Because I looked at the setup and I know what I would do, and because based on what I would do, I would definitely. Yeah, you're good.
I'm gonna go to 30. I'm gonna go here.
Stop being a little bitch.
No, right. Let's sweep the liquidity, dude. It's fine. I don't care.
Get what they owe you. You had 2 daily max losses the past 2 days, and now you want to be conservative on the win?
This is still a daily. No, well, this is basically still a daily max win. So I have my consistency right now around 1,200. I never had a day that was 1,300 yet on this account so far in this cycle. So my question is, can I get re-involved in this trade on my other 2 accounts? That'll be cool if I can do that. We'll see about that. Dude, look at this fucking candle. Can we talk about how I just sniped the bottom? That sweep of the lows, dude.
Yeah, that's crazy,
bro. Look at that, man. This is what I wanted to see, though. Fail the 100, sweep the lows, overshoot, reclaim. It's a pretty good setup.
Pretty
now
we come on, and now we come all the way back down.
Don't fucking say that shit, dude. I threw in have you heard of Opus Clips?
Yes, I love Opus Clips.
So I threw in one of our videos. I like paid for it because I want to start posting those shorts on YouTube. It's just really easy. And there was a clip on edging that the AI picked up. I was cracking up. I was like, and it's like makes like captions for you or like titles, and it's like getting edged in the market. So I'm like, wait,
getting edged in the market.
It was hilarious, bro.
It's pretty. Opus Clips is actually pretty fucking good.
Yeah, Opus Clips is dope.
Considering.
Yeah. $17 more points.
You got it. I believe in you.
I know. I think this should easily go up all the way to range highs up here, dude. At least. And then if this pulls back and holds somewhere around 100, I want to re-enter my other accounts. Damn, everything's fucking rip sticking, dude. Holy shit. YM, RTY, ES is back at the highs. Monthly options expire tomorrow. Yep. I'm in next week's calls on my DIA calls.
Nice.
Long at 104. Nice. It's a beautiful snipe entry. Leave a runner for Monday's highs. No, I'm just going to go for this max win. Pretty annoyed I didn't connect all my accounts. Pretty annoyed.
Based I think I'm gonna let me see.
One more push to 40s, dude. You totally can do it. You totally can do it. You can do it. You can do it. I love when I start seeing the price come up here on the DOM.
Mm-hmm.
Trickling up. Come on. Trickle on in here. Trickle on in here on the side. Trickle on in. Trickle on in. I know you got one more push. I can tell.
Oh, yeah. This thing's about to go, bro.
I know. This thing's about to rip all the way towards the highs. Just stop
It's gonna be an easy day for you.
Target at
So
135.
this is also a thing where I'm glad that everybody get to see this. So for everybody who's been with us streaming the past couple of days, you'll see that this guy has hit a daily max loss 2 times in a row, but he survived long enough to get days like this. That's a key thing here. Like, it's all about collecting small losses, small wins, break evens until probabilities play out in your favor. So if you just keep your emotions in check long enough, you will bounce back.
Yeah, exactly.
You will bounce back.
And the thing is, I still feel those emotions. You guys still see me get frustrated and stuff.
Yeah,
you need
fuck
systems.
I'm going calls.
Going calls on Netflix? Yeah, you should, dude. Do it. Fucking do it.
I'm about to fucking send this shit.
Bro, is this really going to turn around on me and not give me it? 132.25. 5 points off from target. I think we'll get one more push, dude. It's too strong. $140 would be the absolute minimum. This would make sense from what I can see. Push it. Push it. Come on. Look at the buyers just fucking stepping in up here
I
still.
don't even have enough money for these fucking options, bro. Damn.
They're expensive. Netflix is
They
really
are.
well, you got to think it's really expensive stock. So the option, I remember when I used to trade Amazon options back in the day before it split. Dude, it was so expensive to trade them. It's crazy.
Yeah. Well, we'll see. Freaking see.
Well, freaking see, my friend.
Wait, don't you wish every trading day was like this? Look at this.
I mean, yeah, as long as it hits my target here, but yeah, it should. Totally. I still had to sit through a little bit of the fuckery.
We're going to 60s.
I think we're going to 250s, bro. Fill it. Fill it up. Fill it up, ladies and gents. Right at 137 here.
Get there.
Oh my god, I'm getting edged by a tick.
Oh, you good.
Getting edged by a tick.
No liquidity there.
I know.
Nice little pop. There you go.
There we go. Let's lock this one out, boys. Lockouts in the chat on this one. Needed that because this is my. The cool thing is, this is my main account to fucking send me live. So I'm glad I got that on this. Now let's go this. I'm not going to just rush into anything right now, but let me go enable this carpet trader and let's see what we can figure out here. Let's be a little more patient till 10 a.m. See if we can get a pullback to 100 and hold. That's going to be the money trade. That'll be real nice. Real nice. Man, this fucking YM is just going, bro. Oh, you know what I wanted to buy? I wanted to buy some BABA calls.
I need MicroStrategy to go to $2,000 tomorrow.
Thank you for the W's.
Anybody in on MicroStrategy in the chat? Anybody bullish on MicroStrategy? I need that shit to go to 2,000 tomorrow. Get there.
Tomorrow. Let's check out the rest of the board here. Look at YM. Look at this fucking just pop, dude, and pump. So this is what I like on YM really a lot is this daily. Look at this. Look at this daily flag setting up. Bottoms out here. Nice. This is the 21 period moving average. This is a nice little flag setup. This is really very good.
Bullish.
Really bullish. And then look at this. You zoom out. We got room to take up here. We got room to take up here. This looks pretty freaking nice. Pretty freaking nice, my friends. RTY, similar setup. A little bit different, but same idea. This has a lot of room to go higher. So I do like that. I do like that. I wonder if I can get involved in YM on this pullback to see, this is like straight up. This is a hard straight up trade. See, we treat near term volume point of control here. Wow, the Qs, dude. What a play. That was an A+ fucking setup, dude. Fail the level at 100, fail through VWAP, but we have areas to sweep liquidity right here. Sweep it, fail to go lower, higher low, get involved down here, low risk, boom. What was that, a 3R trade?
That's exactly why I hate when you trade anything but in Q, because it's like, bro, I just know with things like this,
dude.
Like it doesn't make sense for you to like trade, you know what I'm saying, YM and RTY. It just makes no sense to me. I just don't get it.
Man, different strokes for different folks, brother.
But this is your stroke. That's what I'm saying. Like, what are you talking about? That's the entire conversation. That's my entire.
This is your stroke
stance. That's my entire stance, bro. This is literally your stroke. What are you saying?
What a fucking straight V-shaped recovery push, dude. This needs to be studied, bro. This makes so much sense to me. Just fail the 100, make everyone think that we're failing. Fail VWAP, sweep liquidity, fail to go lower. Get involved on the failure to go lower. Keep the stop right here. It's really like fucking beautiful. Honestly, it's gorgeous. It's fucking gorgeous, dude. Especially this right here. This was the saving grace. That 30, literally, you know how when we knew it was this, Lawrence. Right when I called this,
it's the Lawrence model.
It is the Lawrence model, but especially an inverted hammer like this.
Yeah.
That this should go lower. This next bar, like, if it doesn't, that's like the most bullish sign you can almost ever see.
But every time we do this, I don't know if anybody noticed, but whenever there's that inverted hammer and we reclaim that wick, we always go higher, bro. Like that is like a really like that's next in line to the 2-minute bullish engulfing hammer. Like that's next in line. That right there, reclaiming the wick, we're going higher.
Yeah. Yeah. Should I get some MSDR calls? I put a couple grand in my Thinkorswim account. I normally trade options.
We're at the high. Well, not the high. We're at the 52-week high. We're at the 52-week high. But if you do calls, I would say put it out for like a year. or like 6
I
months or
know
something like that.
it's too long. I'm too impatient for that. I want 0 DTE.
Yeah. Yeah, don't worry about it then. Don't worry about it then. If
I
you
want
do
0
zero
DTE.
TTE, but MSTR does print. If you day trade MSTR, that
Yeah.
shit fucking prints, bro. Like a lot of people trade those their options, bro.
Dude, this
Um
Baba is really, really nice. I really like this Baba setup.
Kowalski MicroStrategy options back in 2022 were elite. I believe it. I wasn't even that's the crazy part. I wasn't even in MicroStrategy in 2022. I did hear about them because I think they were the first company to buy Bitcoin in 2020 out of desperation because they were about to go down under, bro. And then I'm sorry if I pronounce your name wrong. Is it Ina or Ina? I have MicroStrategy 450 calls. Yeah, you're making money right now because we're at 451. We're at 451s. The 52-week high was 457. Bro, did you see my post? Like we literally pumped 50% in like less than 3 months.
Yeah, I did see that.
This thing fucking rips, bro. KJ said I got in at 400 August 15th call on MSTR at 2.3 now and 60. Nice. Now I bought shares. I bought shares because I think that MicroStrategy is going to go 10x. And the only reason why I say that is because I believe that Bitcoin is going to hit 1 million. Bitcoin is most likely to hit 1 million than it is to hit 0. So therefore, those odds are in my favor to make this bet. So if MicroStrategy normally 2x's to 3x's Bitcoin's growth, then yeah, I'm willing to go for that. And if I lose, then I'll just get some more money and I'll try another play.
I'm looking for this trade here on YM. Pulling back the volume.
I think you should just be done for the day, bro. One and done, bro. You already green, man. Just close it out. And then we'll come back tomorrow on Austin stream, man. You already won. And just make sure you copy trade.
Let me just be green.
No. Come on, bro. You already green for the day. We're not going to do that now. Like if you lose, that's one thing. Make up for it. But being green on the day, we're not just going to that was a smooth green play.
Chat, what should I do? Should I not listen to one?
Daily max win. Like, look, we're not doing this right now, bro. Like, why compromise your good mood very quick? You were done before 30. It's 9:56. You were done at 25.
This guy's so passionate about this right now.
You literally made $1,200 because I'm tired of this shit, bro. You literally made $1,200 in 25 minutes, bro. $1,200 in 25 minutes, and he's just like, you know what, bro? I think I'm gonna try this YM play because I didn't copy trade, bro. Just come back tomorrow. If it was a loser, I get it. But a winner, bro, daily max win after 2 daily max losses. That's the thing. That's the wild part. 2 daily max losses back to back, and now you get a daily max win, and then you want to trade again because you didn't copy trade, bro. Bro, what? What are we talking about, bro? Lock this shit out, man. What is this? Go make some breakfast. Get out of here.
That was such a passionate
bro.
Rant.
Go get some fucking breakfast.
Such a passionate rant. I love it. Oh my god. Oh my god.
Go lift some fucking weights or something, bro.
Oh my god.
What are you doing?
Oh my god. All right. You know what? To set a good example,
To set a good example. Not because you want to do this.
I don't want to fucking do it. I want to fucking trade. I want to do what I want, bro.
God. This guy, man. Who are you?
Dude, I'm unhinged, bro.
I'm unhinged.
You know what? I'm gonna say no and I'm gonna full port this right now just to piss you off.
Do it. Get some views in here. Oh my god. Fucking lock the account, bro. fucking lock the account. Jesus. Oh my god.
This is so great. I love this right now.
You gotta lock out because everybody's putting locks in the chat. So now you're obligated. You're obligated now to lock out. You got locks in the chat. You can't leave them hanging. They never left you hanging. You can't leave them. Go ahead. All of them. I should trademark that, bro.
Both of them. All of
both of them. Both of them.
If this YM pullback on VWAP here holds and works, I'm just gonna be like, told you so.
Don't care.
Lawrence is smart trader. Tanner's a gym bro trader.
Tanner is a gym bro.
I am a gym bro, but doesn't mean I'm a fucking retard.
No, you're not a retard. I wouldn't go that far.
Are you taking trades or you chilling?
I'm chilling, bro. I told you I'm on a break.
I know
What
you
I
are.
am doing is I'm marking out what trade I would take, but
Yeah.
I'm chilling till next week, bro.
Okay,
Actually, when we get off stream, today's like my day. If I have one call today, when we get off stream, I'm gonna take my call and then I'm just like passively work on what we have in the making that I don't want to disclose in front of everybody.
but y'all gonna be real excited for it, guys. Thank you for the locks in the chat.
Thank you, Tanner, for making the right decision.
I know. I mean I know. You're right. I mean, you're right. And you know what? I'm accepting too. It totally could work, and I'm gonna go, whatever. But yeah, that first trade was super solid. That was A+ as fuck. Like that, it doesn't get much better than that. What I don't like is how close it had to happen at the open. I don't like doing that because again, if I'm wrong, that just sends me for a fucking loop too fast. I'm glad it worked, but
yeah, you did good on that one. You definitely did good on that one. That was beautiful. It worked out exactly how you wanted to. I just didn't want you to compromise such a smooth, especially back-to-back daily max losses, and then you get this smooth thing. Like this was your opportunity. Like, you know what I'm saying? Like the more you lose in a row, the more likely you are to win the next one. And this was your probability. And it was clean. It was perfect. So good shit. Yeah, Lawrence. Yeah, Lawrence, this looks like you're set up right now on the 1 minute. Yeah, so Rusty, what I would have done, honestly, that is my setup that just took off, right? But what I would have done, if you look at 943 on the 1 minute chart on NQ, if you look at 942 to 949, that consolidation area, I would have went on a 30-second chart. My model is right there. I would have entered right there, went to the 1 minute chart, and when my model shows again, add to my position and do a 2R from there. That'd have been clutch.
Yeah, it's pretty well, here's the YM play I was watching this is near-term volume point of control right here at 44,630. So basically I'm looking for this overshoot here. That's what I was looking for. I was looking for an overshoot and a reclaim of it. And so it's like if we can get back above this 430 here and hold, I'm looking for it just to continue higher. That's really all I want to see. Also, I entered some BABA calls and they're up 35% right now. Holy shit. Let's go.
Nice.
It's just still pushing. This is great. Fuck this screen. I want to show you guys my other screen. This is cooler. Just straight up. Where is it? Baba. Alibaba. Look at this. Look at this. Look at this push.
Yeah, that shit's pumping, bro.
Look at this push, dude.
It's just pumping.
What I love about this on Baba, let's go through some big picture technical analysis. Maybe we'll help you guys. So, as long as I don't have too many lines drawn in this bitch. Okay, I got a lot of lines, but 200 period moving average, got the first test of it here finally after the big expansion move, pulls back, holds, makes a lower high, which is not good, but then it pulls back again, overshoots it. Now we got the gap above it. Gaps sometimes like this can honestly never fill. Sometimes they'll just stay like that and then go. Eventually, maybe way later in time they can, but let's go to the weekly. We based on this thing for so long sideways. And that's why I have this huge level here, 116 area, even back towards 120. But look at this. Look at this weekly. Nice weekly bar. I think this one's back towards 148s and higher. So that's what I'm watching on this Baba. But what I really, really like, the YM machine. A lot, bear with me on the lines. But extension, pullback. This is just like a little flag. We go to the daily chart. Look at this little flag here, dude. Some might call this a cup and handle.
An inverse head and shoulders.
Inverse head and shoulders, cup and handle. whatever the hell you want to call it. But this, look at this right here into the 21. This is why I only use 2 moving averages. I mean, I don't really use the 9, I guess. Sometimes I guess for momentum trades, but the 21 is a really good area to pull back. I learned this from the focus trades dudes like Chan and Taylor Horton. When we pull back to the 21 daily moving average after a big extension. Oh my God, Chan literally just pulled in and said, "Did the Baba Boys assemble?" It's crazy. I just mentioned your name. What's good, dog? So the 21 is really good on the daily, just for like kind of mean reversion trades, because this wants to pull back after a big extension move into the 21 and hold, and then basically kind of go higher. This is just a really good flag setup on YM on the Dow. So I like this. So I bought next week's calls on this, and then Baba right now is just doing its thing. I'm just honestly trying to do a day trade on it. So looking good on that aspect. Let me go to the other screen. I love that Chan just popped in right when I said his name. It's like we summoned him. That was sick.
I summoned him.
Did I hear the Baba Boys assembled? Baba Boys assemble. Wow. Okay. Well, really good early morning. If you guys just want to ask questions in the chat, I felt it. Ask questions in the chat. Say what up. Ask anything, because Lawrence made me not take a second trade. So,
like real friends, like real friends would, like a real friend would.
No, it is really good. On a side note, you guys might have a little treat tomorrow. I might have Lance hop on stream with us.
That'd be dope.
Well, I'm going to be at his house, so that's the only reason I say that. Baba, I want you to keep going. I want you to keep going. Failing right now a little bit. Do you guys pay attention to RSI and extreme areas at all? I don't watch RSI. I haven't looked at RSI. I think I looked at RSI maybe for like 2 weeks when I first started trading, and then realized I have zero edge with it. It just doesn't make any sense. I don't look at it personally at all. Extreme areas, because the thing is, and Lawrence probably exactly thinks the same thing and backs this. Look at this. It's starting to hold now. Like the market can be overly extreme longer than you can fathom it, basically.
Yeah. Facts.
So it's like, that's why like the market can just going up and keep going up and up and up, or down and down and down. So for me, RSI just doesn't make sense. It's like, oh, the RSI is at 80 right now, or 90. We're due for a pullback. Yeah, but when? I don't know. Like, it's like, it's for me, just based on the technicals. That's why I just love, like, if you just learn how to read these damn bars, and again, little subtle clues of what price should be doing, you don't need RSI. Like, literally, I never look at it. I never look at any of that stuff. I do look at like the VIX here and there, and like I have the tick chart up on my other screen that sometimes I'll look at, but it doesn't really help me personally. Like, honestly, nearly 6 years into this, what helps me the most is just really understanding patterns that are failing to go higher or lower. That's why I'm such like a big sniper type dude, where I like taking like this. Like, I would want to take this long and put a stop like down here or something, right? Like right at 600 too. We have a key level, barely overshot it to 598. Like I said, this is that volume point of control area, the 632. Now look at this 5 minute putting in a hammer, right? If this holds and continues higher, this is a great setup just to keep going. It's really, really nice. Yeah. So it's like looking for these little failed attempts here, that type of stuff. That's what I really like. And then with futures, especially once you learn how to read sweeps, it's just a whole nother ball game, dude. It's just like it makes it so much easier. So
did you see my post?
Love seeing you control, Danny. Yep.
When I was like biased, you said what?
No, my Chan was like, love seeing you use point of control, Tanny. Yeah, point of control is it's great. It works, especially for this. Like, that's why I'm a big near term point of control. But sorry, Lawrence, go for it. What were you saying?
Oh, I was saying that like that post I made when I was like where it said bias, sweep, entry, like that's really like my entire formula right there. Buy a sweep entry, bro. Like ever since that day we were trading together and I got taken out by like 3 sweeps in a row, bro, I was like, never
Yeah.
again.
Yeah.
Like, you remember that shit, bro? I was like,
Yeah.
Tanner, I gotta learn about this shit, bro. You gotta
Yeah.
help me.
Yeah, for sure. I know. And now you started using it and it really, really works. Don't you
Yeah,
use
for sure.
ATR? I do use ATR depending on the move, for sure. Definitely I will. It just really depends on the move overall. Like, it's like the hard part is when we start really, really pushing, that's when I use ATR. So like the ATR on NQ is roughly 300 points. So it helps, especially on days that we're really like shallow, where we've only moved like 100 points, if that. I'm like, oh, damn, the ATR is really low today. It might be a choppy day because of that. So that's how I use ATR. It's just kind of like thinking about that type of stuff. Do you ever use fixed range profiles? No, I just try to see ranges with my eyes. It's the best way I can do it.
You guys have time and experience.
Yeah. Do you guys have something that teaches sweeps and point of controls? One-on-one coaching. That'd be the best way to go about it. It would just it's a screen time thing. It's like
it really is.
I don't got any fancy videos. I'm sure there's great videos out there. That's the thing too, dude. You can find everything you want on YouTube, honestly. Like you literally can. But that's the difference between one-on-one coaching is it's like, it's a catered, fixed way to
Tailored.
like improve, tailored way to improve you individually. So
yeah.
Bias tells you direction, entry tells you when they're done lying. Yeah.
Yep. That was the post. That was the post I pretty much yeah. Yep. Yep.
How the fuck do I close this shit, dude? Close position. I think I'm gonna sell these Baba calls.
Ray said I screenshotted it. Facts. I'm telling you, bro, like I appreciate that because I really think that if you go through my content, like YouTube, between my YouTube and Instagram, bro, like I think it's enough. If I stop right now, I think it's enough to make somebody profitable. I'm not gonna lie. I think it really is enough to make somebody profitable.
Yeah, totally can be. I don't doubt that. Man, I hate this. Way I hate options, dude. I just got this big push on Baba, just pulled back really hard. My options just lost like fucking so much of their value.
Quick, right? Like that's why I had to get out of options, bro. I had to get out of options.
So quick. I'm just like, come on, man. Why do you gotta do that? Pulls back 40 cents, and the thing it went from I was up $400 down to $100. Lost $300 on a 40-cent pullback. That's insane. Baba Premium is such a pain. It is. I know. I think I might just take all this right now, dude. It's just a small little gain, but that's my problem too. Is once you start making bigger money and you have a small account, your fucking brain gets fucked up because you're like, that's not enough. That's nothing. But it's like, no, you're up 30% or 40%. It's not bad.
Yeah. Yeah.
How about an Iron Condor Netflix collecting premium?
You know what's crazy?
What?
Yeah. Good. No,
I was gonna say, like, I was like, I don't know enough about spreads, and like, I'm honest with people about that. I never took the time to learn it, to be honest. It just wasn't something that was like exciting to me. I just love trading naked options. It's just my thing. Like, it's probably just a degen in me, dude. Like, who doesn't love watching a fucking 0 DTE rip 700%? Like, those like feelings of power. Let's go, Baba. Here we go. It's starting to push here. I'm gonna close some of this. But go for it, Lawrence. What are you saying?
No, I was asking ChatGPT about should I go long or short on those Netflix earnings, and they said Iron Condor. I don't know much about spreads. Yeah, I don't know much about spreads either, though. Like I don't know anything about those. So
yeah, this thing's trying
to nothing. I have nothing for you, my guy.
Focus on the systems more than psychology. What do you mean? Elaborate. Trying to jab, Luke. I don't know if you're trying to jab earlier. I saw you like little snippets here and there. System doesn't mean shit if you can't trade it.
I'm telling you.
Like, right? Like,
literally, bro.
You could have the best, cleanest, clearest system in the world, but if you don't know how to execute it or manage it or hold it,
yeah,
it doesn't mean anything. You can read, you can literally read about any good system anywhere, but being able to actually physically execute it and go through the like emotions, the psychological aspect of it, That's the hardest part. Like literally, I'm fully convinced you could teach someone like a golden strategy that would make them millions of dollars and like hand it to them on a silver platter, but without like giving them like any trading psychology experience or anything like that, they would just still fuck it up.
Literally, because
We're
it's
just
not going to be 100. It's not going. Yeah, exactly. It's not 100% win rate. So the moment they incur a loss, you know what I'm saying, it's going to be over
yeah,
with. They're just going to
yeah,
deviate from the plan. So I mean,
exactly. Yeah, you guys are helping me with application. I don't know if that's word. No, it's a good word. Like it's like you watch how like we could sit through trades and hold them. Like that's kind of like the number one I think compliment Lawrence and I get a lot on these streams is like you guys are able to just sit and hold your trades the whole time, like and not like overmanage them or like overthink them. Like still overthink them, I guess, a little bit here and there, but we don't physically press the button because we go, no, the system says this, and we help reinforce each other with that. That's why like our trading styles are really similar in that sense, and that helps us. So it's like, yeah, I'm glad that we can help with the application for sure.
yeah, I agree.
Good to note. Good to note.
Yeah, I think it's a big help to, like you said, it's a big help to watch somebody do it. If like I sit here and I watch somebody do something, it will help me actually do it myself. Like just experiencing that. It's cool.
Yeah.
Bro, it's real cool.
Can we get this extendo push here on Baba? Where was my fill on this? Trade price was at 69 cents. Close out the bulk. A little push here. One more little push skis. A little push Rooney. So we can get a pullback here on everything. Starting to get a pullback here. Facts like Tanner locking out the 2 days loss to come back. Yeah. I had a great day on Monday. This week has been past 2 weeks have kind of just been a roller coaster for me a little bit. I had a really good day on Monday. Past 2 days, daily max loss. Today, daily max win. Tanner is just a goat. Enough said. Thank you. Appreciate that. I'm trying, guys. I'm trying. Okay.
He's one of them. He's one of those ones.
Let's see if we can get a sell here. I just put on my order. Let's see if you guys can hear it. Let's see if it fills me. See if she fills me. Or double tops here and I get wrecked. Done for the day. Had a good trade. Nice. Good shit. Good shit. Here comes the Baba fill. Wait for it. Wait for it. We're so close. We're so close. Maybe I should see it.
I don't even think I have Thinkorswim on my computer. Oh yeah, I do. Okay.
Look at this limit on the options. Did I get filled or did I get edged here, guys? What happens? Did I get filled or edged?
I think you'll get filled.
I don't know. I might get edged. I got a key level right here. It's double topping.
Get rid of it.
Get rid of the level. Just
no. Get rid of the options.
No.
Like just sell that shit. I don't trust it.
I'm gonna let it attempt. Still pretty strong.
What y'all doing this weekend? What you doing this weekend, Tanner?
I kind of I'm going to Traders for Cause San Diego today. I don't know if anyone has tickets to that out of nowhere. I randomly got tickets last minute. So I'm doing that tonight. It's down in Encinitas area. So just been networking with a bunch of traders, chatting with people, filming some content, doing stuff like that. And then I'm staying at Lance's house. It's Lance's birthday this weekend, so like on Saturday we're doing like something with like some friends. And then also my girl has a catering event this weekend. She does like meal prep and stuff like that. So she's a catering event this weekend in San Diego. So we got an Airbnb in San Diego. So I'm going to be in SD all weekend. So that's my plan. What about you guys?
So, yeah, what are y'all going?
What do y'all got going? What do you got going, Lawrence?
Shit.
Is this going to
going to the gym?
Going to the gym?
Yeah, going to the gym and studying.
Studying. Good. I like it. I like it. Give us the push here, dude. One more extendo.
Lance Breinstein's house. Yes.
Yes. Okay. Correct.
Tanner's
Come
plugged.
on. I'm plugged. Give me the fill here. I'm only asking for 30. There we go. Let's go. W. Real money. Yay. Locked
And that shit
in.
straight to your bank account.
You know, look at it. It literally filled me and rejected, bro. That was a great exit. I still have three more runners. I had 13 contracts. It wasn't a big position though. I only had $1,000 in it, so I just made like $300. Nice. Look at this instant rejection though on that put. Fills me and then dies. Mm-hmm. Wow, incredible. I'm ready for that next giveaway. You just got one, bro. No, I'm glad I made it right though. That because I guess they sent him a challenge account, not a straight to funded. Mm-hmm. I told them, they're like, "Oh, my bad." So they sent him the funded account, which is pretty cool. So I'm pretty glad you made me lock out, Lawrence. I fucking told you. I fucking told you.
Are we selling off or something? Oh yeah.
This would have just been a headache. This would have been a headache and a half. That's for sure.
Yeah, for sure.
It would have been a headache and a half.
For sure. Yeah, I wouldn't mind that long on NQ right here. Go to NQ. That long looks pretty. I'm a sucker for a pullback and then a deeper pullback with buying pressure. Go to the 1 minute.
This 1 minute junkie, dude. Oh, look at that.
That right there. Ooh, that's how you turn me on right there.
That's not really.
If we get past 50s, like if we were to get past 50s on that, oh yeah. That looks nice.
You could take a repop over like even this bar. You could literally take the 45, put the stop at 25, 20-point stop. You can do something like that.
Yeah. I like to put my my stop losses below like an impulse candle or consolidation. So I probably would have put my stop like at 120s, like that consolidation area.
Yeah. That makes sense. 120. Yeah. I know the impulse candle. I mean, the impulse candle works good if you can spot like the true failures to go lower, right? Like,
yeah.
Especially like I think this yesterday was really good. So this was obviously really messy and ugly, but when this dumped down here, especially when it dumped down into the range, like look at this, dude. This is my same range drawings from the daily that I drew for everyone. Almost to the fucking tick, dog. 37 bounces to 25s. 200-point move, dude, in 5, 10, 15, 20 minutes.
That's
fucking
insane.
Crazy.
The levels be leveling, bro.
The levels be leveling. Everything's starting to dump right here. Got Baba pulling back. Dude, this crazy. That Baba sell was all time. It literally pulled back like perfectly off that, which is crazy. Me and my wife are going to Urban Legends concert here in Vegas. It's awesome. Vegas always got something to do, dude. I couldn't imagine living there though. That seems, I don't know. I know it's way different because you're not at the strip and stuff. It's not the same idea, but that place just sucks the life out of me, dude, every time. But I still go back for more. think I learned my lesson, and no, I haven't. Lawrence, you turned me into a menace.
What did I do, bro?
What do you do? What do you do?
My executions are just so on point. Yeah,
Let's
I have
go.
I have that effect on people. That's my that's Alex. He's one of my traders. I'm talking to the chat, not you, Tanner. I already know you know.
Yeah.
But yeah, that's Alex. Was one of my traders. You know what I'm saying? I got him together real quick. I got a couple people together too, man.
Mm-hmm.
I think the hardest part about coaching is actually like telling traders who are just so fucking passionate to sit the fuck down.
Yeah.
Like just like telling them to stop trading, like because they go through like these natural losing streaks that everybody go through, that you literally just came off of, that everybody goes through. But it's just like I'm trying to get them to be like, listen, this is literally what you're supposed to go through right now. These are random fluctuations. They're going to be back-to-back losses. Sit this one out, go back to us, go touch some grass, go outside, and then come back. That's the hardest part about coaching, is like teaching them, knowing when to put the gun down. Like, put the gun down, son, please. If I'm gonna show you when the trade is over. Yeah, screenshot and send it to me, bro.
Send it over, bro. Send it over. Send it. All right, this Bob is pulling back. I'm gonna get all these runners at break even. Lowest position. Over it. Made $300 on that little day trade. That was fun. This is my problem, though. You give me an account like this, and I'm just like, more.
I'm itching.
Trigger finger itching. 16. Can I do 4? Can I afford? Can I afford this? Can I add to this position here and afford this? Nope. Did you hear that? Dun, dun.
Yeah. What's worse, a card decline or that sound?
Well, for me, that sound just means I mathed wrong, because it doesn't tell you how much it is exactly. That's the problem. So I'm trying to calculate the options. I'm like, this is this much money or this or this. So it's like, there we go. Just added to my DIA calls right here at VWAP. Look at this. Let me pull this up. This is what you want to see. Oh my God. This is ICT Dream right here. Pull back to VWAP and you got your fair value gap, dude. Dude, look at the fair value gap, bro. Right into the middle of the fair value gap. You put the line here, right? Let's draw it for all the ICT junkies in the chat. You got it here. You got it here.
ICT Dream.
ICT Dream, dude. Look at it. And then we pull right into VWAP in the middle of it, and you got the near term.
How many confluences, bro? Put full
dude. Yeah, this is A plus attempt. This actually is a really good attempt here. I would totally take this right now if you didn't fucking knock me out. But that's why I added on my other account. Even though they're going to yell at me. It's so funny. Thinkorswim does this. So I have a cash account, but they settle the cash right away when I sell my options. And then literally I'll just like keep using the cash and going through it in the same day. And then they'll send me an angry email being like, you can't do that. You got to let the money settle overnight. And I'm like, then turn it off in your system, bro.
Right. It's your system.
Sorry. So not my fault, but thanks for the better average on my position. Thank you.
Yeah.
Appreciate it. I'll take it. So that's that. Sucks to suck. Their fault. Wow, nice push on right on QQQ VWAP. I want to just show you guys stuff I'm seeing, so maybe it helps you. Sorry.
Have you ever like when you're coaching and stuff, like as far as like coaching, isn't it funny when like you have your traders and like they message you when they're doing good, and then the one day that they're quiet as fuck all morning, you can smell it. Like you can smell the tilt.
Every time, bro. Every time. Yeah, I'm like, everything all good. You know who's actually really good at that? Who doesn't do that? Is Brian. Brian will literally send me his fucking position every day, bro. Every day. And he'll be like, I fucked up here. I did this, I did that. He's like, I gotta work on this. Like Brian's a great great client, great student, great everything. Brand's good dude. Look at this. Okay, you see this here in the corner? Look at this pull active VWAP, dude. This is nice.
Beautiful.
And you had the confluence here of YM. Like, so this is what I like seeing. This is why I like having all the charts here, because attempting along here on NQ or attempting along here, if this bounces and holds, which I think is a pretty high probability it will, especially because we just went over those confluences, all the markets are in line, right? Like this is what Chan calls team push. Like all of these should push together once they fully line up. And you got RTY, excuse me, pulling back to volume point of control. Good spot to get long. And what happened here? We just overshot VWAP on IWM, but just because we closed one bar doesn't mean shit. We just put in this little hammer. I think this is a great reversal attempt spot. And if this doesn't work, I would just be like, okay, but I think it's a really high probability. Anyone not long in a trade right now, I think this is a good attempt across the board. Some of these, not telling you to do it, but I think it's pretty high probability, to be honest. So that's my 2 cents. But don't listen to me. What's my average on these contracts? 91 cents. 91 cents.
All right. Well, we're coming up on 10:30. I think I'm gonna go ahead and let you guys have it. What you think?
Yeah, we're gonna call it. Yeah, we're gonna call it. We're just chilling now, kicking it. But appreciate all you guys as always. Thank you for hopping in. We'll be on tomorrow with Austin with the ASFX. It'll be free though. We'll have I think I'll have my YouTube linked on it and stuff. I think Lawrence link is too. I will be at the Brightstein's house in Encinitas. Maybe I'll trade outside on his balcony or some crazy shit. I don't know. I just that's where Wi-Fi is the best. I told him too. I was like, I need to live stream. Is that okay? He's like, yeah. He's like, I'll be up. And I'm like, all right, cool. So that'll be that. If anyone's going to Traders for Cause San Diego tonight, I doubt it. But if you are, come say what up. Come say what up. So,
yes, sir.
All right, we're gonna end it here. Good shit, guys. Thanks for the support. Thanks for the love. We'll see you tomorrow.